Ethereum is like a packed freeway during rush hour. Everyone's trying to move, but it's jammed, slow, and the tolls are brutal. Layer 2 solutions like Zero-Knowledge Rollups act like adding an express lane to this highway, letting more cars or transactions move quickly, while easing congestion on the main road. The result? Faster, cheaper transactions without sacrificing Ethereum's security. So what are ZK Rollups? They're a Layer 2 solution that helps Ethereum scale. The rollup part means they bundle many transactions into one. The zero-knowledge part means they create a cryptographic proof that shows all those transactions were valid, without revealing the details. Think of it like an accountant who handles hundreds of transactions off-chain, then sends Ethereum one small verified report. Ethereum just checks the proof, not each transaction. If the math checks out, everything is accepted. Here's Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin explaining how that works with ZK Rollups.
Right, and then the second thing is that you don't do the computation on-chain. Instead, you do the computation off-chain, and there's one of two ways to do this, right? One is called a ZK rollup, which is you just provide a ZK snark that basically says, hey, look, I did this computation, and I have this proof that here's the some hash of the result, and it's correct. And then you stick it on chain, and everyone verifies this one proof instead of verifying all these transactions.
That's why they're also called validity rollups. Every batch is guaranteed to be correct. And that means less congestion, lower costs, and no compromise on security. ZK Rollups process transactions on their own network, like Starknet, instead of Ethereum directly. Once those transactions are bundled, they create a single cryptographic proof. That proof is then sent to Ethereum, where it's verified in seconds. No need to check every transaction individually. The result? Lower fees, faster speeds, and higher throughput, all still secured by Ethereum. A real-world example is zkSync, a popular ZK rollup. It lets you bridge funds from Ethereum and do familiar things, like sending ETH, swapping tokens, or minting NFTs, but with much lower gas fees and faster confirmation times. To users, it feels almost the same. But because it's handled off-chain first, it's quicker and far more affordable, especially when Ethereum is busy. Behind the scenes, zkSync batches transactions, creates a proof, and sends it to Ethereum. Once Ethereum verifies the proof, it confirms everything at once. Curious how those cryptographic proofs work? Check out our video on zero-knowledge proofs. It breaks down the tech behind ZK Rollups. In short, ZK Rollups help Ethereum handle more users, faster transactions, and lower fees, all without sacrificing security. It's like building fast express lanes next to Ethereum's main highway. Traffic moves smoother, tolls are cheaper, and safety checks are still just as strong. ZK Rollups aren't just clever tech. They might be the future of how Ethereum scales to the world. If this helped you understand Ethereum scaling, hit the like button, subscribe for more clear crypto explainers, and drop your questions below.